This is about to take forever.
Can't believe that this is what you do with your head.
Yes.
Hey y'all, what's up? We're back with another video, and before we get into the video, I want to share a prayer to focus on God with y'all. So it says, God, thank you for all the wonderful things you've done in my life. Sometimes when my circumstances are hard, I can forget about your goodness. In those moments, help me to trust your goodness and love for me. Help me to keep my focus on you. In Jesus' name, amen. So I hope that prayer resonated with y'all very well, because it definitely resonated with me, okay? With that being said, as y'all can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, y'all, we're going to be installing this blonde hair. Oh my gosh. So excited. I was so nervous to do this, but as y'all can see right here, listen, my mom was braiding my hair back. My hair was looking a hot mess. I literally just took my U-part wig off, and I had a birthday party to go to that night in like an hour and a half, y'all. And I still didn't put my wig on, and I still didn't even do my makeup. So the chaos was like very stressful. She just finished my hair, and I'm just like, girl, I look a mess, a hot mess. But this is what we had to deal with, okay? I'm grateful for my mama for being there and braiding my hair down, me being crazy. She was so over me, y'all. This is my girl. She was leaving me at this point, so I just said, you know, bye girl, I'm gonna miss you. And here is the wig. As y'all can see, it is super blonde. It's giving Goldilocks. I specifically called this wig Goldilocks. So yeah, so this wig is from Megalook hair. I actually forgot the length. I think it's a 26-inch. If I'm wrong, y'all can check the description box down below. But right now, I'm just gelling my edges back because this is blonde hair, which means that although like it doesn't have to be perfect, it definitely has to be seamless. So we got to put that wig cap on, and y'all, it came out so nice. My wig cap was definitely melted. I just used some gummy lace glue and some freeze spray and blow dried that down, and now it's time to put the wig on, okay? I was so frightened. Like, I've done blonde before, but yellow blonde is a different type of risk, y'all. I was so scared. I'm so scared. Yes, like, oh my gosh, I was terrified. Because I'm like, is this color even going to look right on me? Like, I've done so many other colors, but I've never done a blonde where it was so potently yellow, y'all. And it actually turned out so nice. It went with my outfit so beautifully. So if y'all want to see how I look for that night, then go ahead to my Instagram so that y'all can see the flicks, because I was eating it up, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to do 3 layers of the boho lace glue. I knew I didn't want to keep the wig on for too long, but I also knew that I wanted my wig to be snatched, okay? Like, laid. And it was giving exactly that. So, like I said, 3 layers of the glue, and I'm just using my popsicle stick to smear the glue in. And right here, I'm just applying my foundation to the lace, because we got to make sure that the lace is going to melt into our skin and that it looks like ours. I don't know who I needed to fool, but everybody was going to believe that I was born with blonde hair, okay? It was eating. I'm telling y'all, this lace was by far bomb. So I just cut like little slits in the lace, and now this is time. Now it's time for like the melt, y'all. So I am just making sure that the placement is perfectly, placed right on top of that glue, that the lace is stretched to perfection, and I am just pressing everything in with my hands. This is the beginning of the melt. This is the beginning of the process, and I just did the same thing to the other side. And I am cutting that extra lace off my ear, just like that. Just like that, cut right around that ear. just like that, y'all. It was already starting to look so good, and I was so excited. Like, oh, this looks so good already. So now I'm just using my elastic band, and we're just going to tie the wig down. Y'all know this is like essential to a melt. Any type of wig install, it has to be tied down for a series, like a long time, okay? It's going to give you that perfect melt. But in this case, I did not have all night to keep that band on, so we just made it do what it do, and it still came out looking good. So right now, I'm just hot combing my part out because I'm like, all right, we got to do this properly. And yeah, so next we're going to go in with some wand curls. I just felt like this look was giving wand curls, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. I could have definitely did like middle part bone straight. Maybe I'll reinstall the wig and do a middle part and straight. So, yeah, the wand curls were wand curling, okay? Now, the only thing that I hate about doing wand curls, y'all, if you know, you know. When you wrap the hair around the wand curl, around the wand, it just slides down the entire thing, and it is so annoying, like so annoying. So I was doing like pretty medium-sized parts, and as y'all can tell, I went the wrong way. So you want to wrap the hair away from your face, right? And then just keep on going. Try not to twist the hair because it's not going to lay evenly on the iron, and you want every part of the hair to be, heated up. So you really just want to repeat this process throughout your entire head. And this was what took me the longest. I promise y'all, if I would have did straight, then it would have came out perfect. So this is what I always do. Before I go ahead and do the pieces up at the top that are going to pretty much be my part, I just leave it because sometimes I might have to go in and repart the hair and pull it apart and stuff and just like reposition it because it's not going to be perfect because the band was on it. So now I'm going in with my razor and I'm just cutting off that excess lace because it's not needed. And y'all, the lace looked so good. Like, are you kidding? It looks so good. So be careful with this part too, because sometimes, you can cut yourself. These things are pretty sharp. So cutting off the rest of that lace, of course. Just like that. And then I'm going in with some foundation, and I'm just making sure that the lace is melted to my skin complexion because I still have to do my makeup, y'all. When I say I was in a rush, and I actually did want this video to be a get ready with me, but I just did not have the time. Like, I had to hurry up. So as y'all can see, I pretty much just changed my part, and if it was curled, then it would have been curled in a different direction. So I highly recommend to wait to do that part before you go ahead and curl or style anything in place. And the hot comb definitely comes in handy to make sure everything is nice and flat. So now I'm just hot combing my baby hairs out, of course. This is going to give us that look of like, the baby hairs are laid to the gods, honey. And yeah. Still trying to fix that part. So it's really best to just save your part for last if you can. So now that we got our part all situated, now I can finally go ahead and curl that last piece up at the top. And I'm just using some free spray, and we're just making sure that the lace on this part is looking really nice. At first, I wasn't too sure how I wanted to style my hair, but then I put the dress on and I was like, yeah, we got to do an updo. So as y'all can see, y'all, face is sitting. I look good. And if you don't think so, you're lying. I look good, okay? So we had to spray the baby hairs with the free spray. And then I had to go ahead and style my baby hairs. And we're going to do the other side. Of course, those sideburns have to look good because, honestly, I feel like with blonde hair, the baby hairs are the star of the show. And spraying a little bit more free spray on that as well. All right, so now it's time to comb the hair out. I used a wide tooth comb at first, and I was like, you know what? No, we're going to bring the paddle brush into this because it just combed everything out really nicely. And yeah, I was obsessed, super obsessed. Everything came out really nice. And like I said, I was really convinced that I was going to wear my hair down in like this pretty big Hollywood style curls. But I was just like, no, this dress is giving updo. Even though the hair down and hair up look both like really good with the dress. But I was just like, no, I want to wear my hair up. Because I don't really do like crazy styles with my hair. And I kind of want to because why not? So, yeah, I also did a little TikTok and I'll be uploading a short on this install as well on YouTube. So go ahead and check that out. Yeah, so now I'm just doing my finishing touches with this hair and with the wig, just making sure that it just, you know, is sitting. It looks good. Everything is nice and polished. And I'm just obsessed with the way that it definitely came out. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, are you kidding? Serving face. Oh my gosh. If y'all enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. We are on the road to 100K, and I can't wait to see our family grow. I have some exciting news to share with y'all, and that is the updo, and that's how my hair turned out, y'all. So stay tuned for everything. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to yet another video. Bye. Mwah.